Hi, good day everyone. Chef again. Welcome to our channel. Today, I will be making one basic from the pastry. This is called hard custard, the basic hard custard. Okay. When we talk of hard custard is made from milk and eggs. Okay, placed in a mold and then steamed or steam baked. Got it, guys? So, but what I'm making today is a kind of dessert that is popular to Filipinos. Maybe you're familiar with leche flan. By the way, leche flan is Spanish. Leche flan is a Spanish terminology. I mean, it is called in Spanish it is leche flan. In English it is called milk custard because leche means milk and flan means custard. Okay, so but the flan that I'll be making has a twist because the liquid that I'll be using is a mixture of milk and buco water. Yes, you heard it right, buco water. Okay. So, and I'll be adding a flavoring from the fresh pandan. So I'll be chopping the pandan leaves and then I'll be blending it with the buco water and adding it to the mixture. By the way, before I forget, for a first timer in our channel, after watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, and also kindly click the button down there, okay, in the right side, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, guys, so ready? Let's start. For our Buco Pandan Flan, we need 14 pieces eggs. We need 10 pieces egg yolks and 4 pieces whole eggs. These are the eggs that we need for our flan. We need 1 cup of sugar, of course a sweetener, and then for our liquid, 1 cup of buco water and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Okay. Of course, we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. And also pandan leaves, fresh pandan leaves. For our equipment, we need 2 pieces of mixing bowls and wire whisk and also a rubber spatula. Also, we need a wire strainer so that there will be no lumps. Okay, to start, first we will put our buco water in a blender. That. So there goes our buco water, and now we will add gradually our pandan leaves. Turn it on at low speed. We will add the rest of our pandan leaves there, and then we will turn the speed to gradually to high speed. Okay, so that we can liquefy our pandan leaves because I don't want to add artificial flavoring in my custard. Okay, so now at high speed, and then when it is already liquefied, then that's the time I would be straining it. Okay, so we'll just keep on blending it. Then now it's fine, so we turn it off, and then we will strain our blended buco pandan. There it goes. So we will discard the sediments. Okay, we will press. Okay, and then we will set it aside to use later. Now our liquids are here, 2 cups. 1 cup from the buco water and 1 cup of milk. So this is our liquid. Okay, we'll start. First, we will just have to put the milk and buco water in the bowl. Okay, there goes the buco water, and then our milk. Okay, then we will add our sugar and our salt. Okay, so we'll stir it so that it will be well blended. Okay, so okay, and then we'll set it aside. Then we'll work on the eggs. We will put all the eggs in a separate bowl. The egg yolks are there, and then the full whole eggs. Okay, then we will stir it, but gently. There should be no bubbles. Okay, just keep on stirring, and then we will combine it later with our milk mixture, our liquid. There, we'll put it there. We'll combine it with our liquid, the milk and the buco water, and then we will be stirring it, but gently, because we don't want any bubbles to be formed while stirring the mixture. Okay, so gently, as if you're only lifting it. Okay, so okay, and then we will strain it again. Okay, to do away with the lumps coming from the egg whites after we mix it. Okay, so now we will strain it so that there would be no lumps coming from the egg from the eggs. Okay. Okay. Now to start with our mold. Okay, we turn off the heat of the stove, and 1 teaspoon each for every mold. We would be expose directly our aluminum mold into the heat so that the sugar would caramelize. So minimum of 1 teaspoon, okay, for each mold. This is just a small oval mold I'm using. Okay, so now that it's caramelized, we'll set it aside. We'll do the rest for the other molds. Okay, now we will start with our mixing. First, we will put some bucos, shredded buco, directly into the mold. Okay, but not much. Okay, so and then we will spoon or pour the mixture in the mold. Okay, but later on we will chop some of the buco, shredded buco, later on. Okay, because we will put the shredded buco into the mixture. Okay, so there goes our egg and milk and buco water mixture into our mold. Okay, the mold is a little bit full because I only have 3 molds. Okay, anyway, at least it can there. So now our chopped buco, we'll add it to the mixture, and then we will cover it with aluminum foil. Okay, there goes our aluminum foil. We'll cover the tray, and then you will be surprised because I will be cooking this not in a stove, not in a steamer, not in an oven, but in a turbo broiler. Yes, turbo broiler. So put some water into the turbo broiler and put the rack and place the molds on top. Okay, and then set your turbo broiler to low heat. To low heat. Cover and set it to low heat and turn it on. And then we have to cook it for at least 1.5 hours, or maybe at least 1 hour. But much better if we cook it for 1.5 or 2 hours. It doesn't matter, but it should only be in low heat. Okay? Do not turn the heat at moderate or 350 or 150. Okay? Just low heat. Okay? And then after cooking it, we let it cool, and then when it's cool, we will put it inside the refrigerator before we serve. Okay, next day now, here is our buco flan. So there it goes. So with some shredded buco on top, served in a plate, also with some shredded buco by the side. Hey guys, I believe I have clearly shown you how to make custard, hard custard. I have just made my Buco Pandan Flan. So it's a kind of hard custard wherein I mix the milk and the buco water and flavor with pandan, fresh pandan leaves. Okay, guys? And also, when it comes to texture, maybe you have noticed, I added 10 egg yolks and 4 egg whites because I use a medium eggs. But if you're using a large egg, use only 10 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs. The more eggs you use, the tender your custard. But if you include the whites, let's say you use 7 egg yolks and 7 whole eggs, then your custard will be a little bit stiff. And also, you have noticed, I made my custard not in a steamer, not even in the oven. I use a turbo broiler. I just put some water underneath, then plate it up, and then put the mold over. And then you just have to cook it in low heat. It doesn't matter if it takes you 2 hours, it doesn't matter. Because the longer you cook it in low heat, the more finer your custard is. So when you make a custard, don't rush. Don't try to finish it in 45 minutes. Make it a low heat, wait in low heat, and it doesn't matter if it takes you 2 hours. And then maybe you have noticed also, I added some shredded buco. Okay? And also, before I forget, there is also some buco in the mixture. Okay? So, for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Kasabong signing off. God bless us all.